Hello, everyone. My name is Gusheen, and you're watching Nation Next. Today, we're in conversation with Mr. Mickey Aurora, who is the owner of one of the leading hotels in central India, the Hotel Centrepoint, located in Nagpur. In our conversation today, we will be discussing about hardships being faced by the hotel industry and what relief does hospitality industry expect from the government. Welcome to the conversation, sir.
Well, thank you.
So during ये global pandemic के चलते हुए hotel industry is set to suffer the most. So, sir, being the owner of one of India's leading, Central India's leading hotels, what difficulties yet new situations is Hotel Centrepoint going through?
It is not only the hotel industry, but an entire tourism industry will be hit about with the COVID-19, and
Yeah,
hotel industry specifically because human source and human resources are required in the hotel industry. It is
yeah,
always you cannot replace human source with mechanic with some machines or something for the hotel industry, and
right.
it is going to affect the traveling is going to be affected for more than 1 year,
Yeah,
and the seeing the scenery or scene of US and Italy and Spain,
hmm,
London, everything, all the foreign companies and foreign tourists and everything will be on hold for at least 1 year, which I feel, and it
true.
is going to affect a lot. And the customers who is going to come, the local customers or the Indian customers who are going to
Hmm,
travel, they are
hmm.
going to minimize, and they will see the hotel first, they how much standard we are using for the safety of the customer. That will be the most important thing.
Absolutely. So, as executed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a lot of relief funds for people or for little businesses have come up. So, hotel industry को in relief से क्या फायदा हुआ है, और would you like some sort of relief from the government?
No, there is no major benefit for the hotel industry. अब PF का भी जो आया है, it is not benefited to any of the industry, majorly not benefited to any industry, because
Right.
PF का है 100% से नीचे होना चाहिए, and
जी.
90% should be below 15,000, which I feel ke it is not going to be more than 5 or 10% of the companies all over India which will
Right.
have that criteria, and no
Hmm.
hotel industry or something will ever have only 100 people. So
Hmm.
that PF benefit is also not good. Though Reserve Bank governor has given some leverage for for the banks and all that, but
Hmm.
now it depends upon the bank how fast they act and give surplus money to run the organization and to see, because they are going to be very alert on the industry, because they will feel that this industry will take time, and they may usually bank gives loans when there is a sunshine, but when there is rain they pull away the umbrella. So
Yeah.
that is the major thing which government has to see, who have a good track record of at least 5 years or 6 years. Their balance sheets are good. They are good paymaster. The bank should give some relief and give more funds for the cash flow, because in hotel it is always the cash flow which will matter, because you have
Right.
to pay salary, taxes,
Yeah.
MSCP bills, and all the other expenses. All are to be paid immediately.
Absolutely. So we saw that Hotel Centrepoint has opened its doors to the frontline health workers by providing them stay and providing them free meals at your prestigious property. So what safety measures आप ensure करते हैं कि आपके staff के लिए, so that they are not prone to any infections?
See, earlier also when the COVID-19 was there declared, we
Yeah.
had two training programs in the hotel in
Hmm.
Nagpur and Navi Mumbai also. All the
Yeah.
trainings were given. What are the precaution we have to take,
Hmm.
and the best precaution which we we will take all the best precaution which we can take, not only this time but in future also,
Yeah.
because that will be the most important thing to give a customer the confidence that it will have good safety standards.
Hmm.
Now, for suppose there are a sterilizer in the front of the hotel, whoever comes, we have a mist sterilizer also,
Okay.
who sterilize the entire body, and there's sterilized bottles also, and we
Hmm.
sterilize rooms and all gears. We use all safety gears for our room boys and waiters who are going to serve the doctors. We give
Okay.
food on in disposable things so that anything is there, it is disposed of immediately. Their
Mm-hmm.
laundry
Right.
is being washed separately. We don't wash laundry along with the other laundry, so we
Mm.
take precaution about that also.
Okay. So, keeping health as the prime focus and the priority, uh, people these days are really apprehensive that bahar ka khana consume nahi karna hai. I mean, they feel that, hygiene reasons say, and also because of the infection. Even after post COVID-19, लोगों को lifestyle में comfortable होने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा time लगेगा. Immediately, everybody cannot just go out and consume food. So, sir, what precautions or what extra effort will Hotel Centerpoint take in ensuring that they choose, they keep people's trust and they win people's trust over their fears?
See, this post corona and pre corona business are going to be different. As
Hmm.
it was going, many things will change. Not only the hygiene things, your hygiene is most important,
Yeah.
but outgoing outing, having good seminars, web seminars will be there. Large gathering will not be there now for at
Yeah.
least 1 year. They will reduce the
Absolutely.
gatherings,
Hmm.
and that is going to hit the industry. Regarding the hygiene, see, our hotel always had an hygiene standard,
Hmm.
and we have to follow that. And
Hmm.
people will have confidence when they will see everything is going with good hygiene and all precautions are taken.
Hmm.
But definitely, it will have effect of social outings, which you are saying.
Yeah.
But I think so. The youngsters are very much not worried about that, and they are going to boost the industry,
Yeah.
and they are not going to sit at home and have
Hmm.
all that food. But definitely, all have to be careful about their standards. And now, at the time of lockout, also there are many web seminar going on the industry,
Hmm.
kitchen safety, housekeeping safety, and
Right.
what precautions we have to take. And we are attending all the web seminars which are going on today. Also, there was a web seminar at 4 o'clock, so
Right.
all staff is also attending, and we are taking all precaution about that.
Okay. So right now, as you've opened your doors to the frontline workers, healthcare workers, as I mentioned earlier, so they are the ones using the rooms right now. So before, post this lockdown, again, I'm repeating, how will you ensure, or before, you accept people at large to take use of your services, आप कैसे ensure करेंगे that everything is safe and everything is well sanitized?
See, we have given a particular rooms to them, and we are every day sanitizing the rooms. It is
Right.
not that we are not doing it. Whenever they go out, we sanitize the room, and each and every corner of the room is being sanitized. And
Yeah.
this is not a disease where it is airborne. It
Yeah.
is always with touch. So
Yeah.
when you take all precautions, I don't think so there will be any harm in doing. And when you are doing a social thing and something like that, you have to take precaution also. And if somebody have a fear of this hotel was being used by the doctors or something, after all,
Mm.
doctors are going to their home. They are living
Mm.
and they are with the families. So
Yeah.
where will you keep the going? You will not go to their home or society. You will also
Mm.
go to their home and in their society and stay with them only. So why
Yeah.
to boycott the hotel or to feel insecure about the hotel when we are taking all precautions? I don't think so anybody will have that fear until and unless we are careless about it. Then it's different thing. But when we'll take full precaution, I don't think so there is any 1% doubt also anybody will have that this should have not be, we should not use the hotel or something like that. I don't think so.
Right. So I must take the liberty and must appreciate you for all the precautions you're taking, minding everybody and catering everybody's needs, every health worker's needs. So I really applaud you for that. It's a
Thank
great
you.
thing.
No, thank you.
Lastly,
It's a little bit which I can give it to the society. I'm
yeah,
doing it. And I would like to share that many of the buses which are coming from Delhi and going to the south are
yeah,
also staying with us because many of times there are senior citizens and ladies are there. And when they are
yeah.
traveling for 18 to 20 hours and they
Hmm.
have a certificate, they are negative test and everything, they have a transit permit. We take
Yeah.
permission from collector, divisional commissioner, and inform the police also. And every day, 3 or 4 buses are coming. They are staying for 3 4 hours. We give them good hot food, and all people take the rooms, freshen up, because it's a hectic journey from Delhi to Nagpur, and they have to travel to Kerala, Cochin,
Hmm.
Bangalore, Hyderabad, and everything. So that is also there. And when they also go, we sterilize everything in the room. And when they are coming, they are passing through the sterilizer only. Though they are
Right.
negative, they have been quarantined for more than 25 days. But we don't
Okay.
want to take any chances. So we take
Hmm.
that precaution also.
Right. So, lastly, to end this interview, you being a Nagpurian, and now that Nagpur has increasing number of positive cases in the city, what advice or what message would you like to pass on to the fellow citizens?
Definitely, there is only one message which our Prime Minister is also saying: stay home, stay safe. That is the best thing. Until and unless it is very emergency, if there is an emergency or it is necessity, then only one person should go. I am also
Right.
doing social work, but I am taking full care when it is only needed for certain thing. Then only I am going out. Otherwise,
Yeah.
I am not doing. We will be serving. We are serving 3,000 people every day, but we are
Hmm.
taking precaution. Our chefs are staying in the hotel only. They are not going out, so they also
Hmm.
are safe. That way, everybody should stay home, and
Yeah.
everybody should keep social distancing. And this
Hmm.
has now this is becoming a trend now. Matlab, it will be in future. This will be the thing. कि social distancing will be there.
Yeah.
You will be taking all precaution, no crowd places, no social gatherings or big gatherings, religious
Right.
gathering. So
Hmm.
that is the only thing which can save us from COVID-19.
Absolutely, sir. I feel all Nagpurians listen to you and they abide by whatever you've said and also listen to our Honorable Prime Minister. So, this way, we all can get back to our normal lives.
थैंक
And
यू वेरी
because
मच
we,
एंड अगर मेरी सुने ना सुने प्राइम मिनिस्टर की जरूर सुन लेना.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, sir. ये तो बिल्कुल सुनना चाहिए.
Right.
Uh, Again, thank you very much, sir, for
Thank you very
connecting
much.
with Nation Next. It was absolutely lovely speaking to you.
Thank
I
you.
had a great, great time having a conversation with you.
Thank you. You also stay home and stay safe.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.